Hi Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading starting 15th of August. In this particular video, we'll quickly see what is the energy that you have for the later part of this month. So without wasting much time, let's quickly jump in and see what is there for the last 15 days of this month for you. The first card that I see for you is Four of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and the Devil card. Now the first card, which is Four of Pentacles, it means that you are somewhere in the miser energy, which means that you do not want to go ahead and share your time, money, resources, emotions, nothing with anybody else. Okay, you do not want to share anything, and that's why you are in the miser energy. Now let's go ahead and take one card here to understand why we have this Four of Pentacles for you. So the reason why you are in this miser energy, it could be because you have a lot of people around you with this Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups means emotions, and there could be some people you are really not interested in, some people who are trying to go ahead and just waste your time, and that's exactly why you have moved into this miser energy, and you do not want to go ahead and spend your time or money or anything with these people. Now the second card that I see for you is the Ace of Cups. You are looking for a new start, okay, and you want to go ahead and build that particular relationship on a healthy ground where you're emotionally also connected with that person. Now it could be in the current situation or the relationship that you are already in, where you would like to start again with that person, or it could also mean that you have just broken up with your ex and you want to start fresh with somebody else altogether. So let's go ahead and take one card here to understand why do we have this Ace of Cups for you. Now the Ace of Cups is because you are expecting some kind of a transformation with this Death card. Death card means that you're looking forward to some kind of a transformation, maybe in your life or maybe in the current relationship that you are in, but you are expecting some transformation, and post that transformation happens is when you will move in and you will start again with maybe the same person or a totally different person. Now Aries, the third card that I see for you is the Devil card, which means that you have something which is negative around you, or you could have a habit or an addiction. It could be sex, drugs, alcohol that you have that addiction for, or it could be someone around you that has that negative energy and that's impacting your life, your current situation, maybe your relationships as well. Now let's take one card here to see why do we have a Devil card here for you. Okay, so let's take one more card. All right, that's for the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles means that it's the sharing card. If you look at this card, this person is sharing with two. Now again, I'll go ahead and say the way I'm seeing the cards, okay, it doesn't mean it's for everybody out there, but some of you Aries could be sharing your time, money, resources with two people, and that's the Devil energy that I'm seeing here. And it's because of this, maybe you are entertaining two people at the same time, or there could be another situation where you are doing something which is not correct. Okay, so maybe a compromise, maybe you need to self-reflect to understand that this is not correct and this is not going to work out. Okay, now let's go ahead and take one card here from the Moonology Oracle cards to see what is the message that we have for you for the remaining part of this particular month. So the message that I see for you is luck is on your side. Now the message definitely speaks in itself. It says that luck is on your side, which means that if you are planning for something for the later part of this month, go ahead, because whatever you will go ahead and do, it will turn out to be very positive. It will go ahead and bring fruits to you. It will make sure that it brings those good things that you are aiming for. So luck is in your side. Try to go ahead and Make sure that things work in your favor. Use this positive energy that is around you and maybe your person, and things can really work out between the two of you. Now that's all that I have for this mid-month review. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe, love yourself first.